management. We happen to be in TimberCrest 437 in the master bedroom doing a quick video tutorial on the television. So this is a smart enabled Wi-Fi TV that is utilizing the cable 1 box. So right here's the cable 1. Make sure it's powered on. You got a green light. And this is set to HDMI 1. Now it has a DVD player as well. So there's HDMI 1. The AV is going to be the DVD player, which is your traditional DVD player with VHS as well. So as you scroll through and actually use the source, you got screen mirroring, which is available for you that have the ability to connect. And we'll go to HDMI 1. And the controller for cable 1 is right here. Changing the channels as you normally would. So if you have any further questions while you're staying at 437 with a master bedroom television, you can reach out to us at DoneRight Management. Number in the office, it's 208-634-0030. Cheers.